How to block screenshots on WhatsApp profile picture. First things first is access or pull up your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're currently using or running the latest version of WhatsApp. Now, if you would like to have a privacy in your profile picture and you wanted someone or you don't want someone to take a screenshot from your profile picture, then this is going to be the steps that you'll do. Now, once you have access to your WhatsApp application account, all you have to do is go directly to your privacy settings, which is going to be located at the top right portion of your screen. So it's going to be the three dots to tap on that and then head directly to settings. Then from settings, there's going to be a bunch of options here, but you'll have to go to privacy. So as you can see, you should be able to see last seen and online, profile photo, about, status, and many more. So just go directly to profile photo and you will get four options that you can choose. So it's going to be everyone, my contacts, except. Now this option here is you're prohibiting a specific person that you would like to pick. So it's not going to be everyone. So the last option is going to be nobody. So it's going to be all the person who will access your profile picture is not going to be allowed to take a screenshot or even view your profile photo. So just choose on nobody and you are good to go. So that's it. That's how you block screenshots on a WhatsApp profile picture.